SoEasy Xiamen Technology Company Limited is located in the beautiful coastal city, Xiamen, Electronic City, Xiamen, International Innovation Center, with a modern office area of 1,000 square meters. As a high-tech photovoltaic industry company, SoEasy integrates production, marketing, research and development, and design in one. They commit to providing customers with safe, reliable, stable and efficient, one-stop solar photovoltaic power generation system solution since 2002. SoEasy focuses on independent research, development, and innovation of solar products. The R&D team provides strong technical support to enable clients to implement freely designed projects. The main products include solar bracket, solar system, solar carport, solar cleaning machine, etc. Since its establishment, the company has successively obtained more than 60 patent certificates, ISO 9001 quality management certification, government qualified suppliers, etc. SoEasy products had sold to more than 100 countries and areas. The cumulative export volume exceeded 3 GW by the end of 2021. In Tongan Industrial Zone, SoEasy 5,000 square meters owned factory has 40 megawatt production capacity per month. Unique geographical location which is close to the shipping port to ensure the delivery time. The power of the factory is provided from the rooftop solar energy produced and designed by themselves, which fully fulfills company vision of developing photovoltaic and protecting the earth. SoEasy pay attention to design details and actual on-site installation needs. Provide professional solutions for different needs. Make installation easier and safer.